Hey, what's up everyone? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you're watching in. This is Sanket and you're watching the Technodrift. Now honestly, I'm not that into TWS anymore because the cheaper ones often get breakdown in a couple of months, provide a poor battery life and the connection is not that seamless. But this time though, this product from Soundco made me change my mind and I had to buy one to test it for myself. So in this video, we'll cover what this Soundco Buds is all about. So sit back, relax, buckle up and enjoy the video. Now I hope you liked the intro or you rather loved it. Let us know in the comments below. Now without further wasting your time, let's start with the review. Starting off with the box contents, you get the earbuds themselves, a USB Type-C charging cable along with some documentation and 4 different sizes of earbuds to suit different types of ears. Now first let's start with the build quality. The build quality of this TWS is quite good for the price you pay for. The case has a very good finish and the moment you hold it, you are not going to have a feeling that you are holding something cheap. The case also has a very satisfying opening and closing experience and the hinge is also not that loose. It is slightly hefty because of the massive battery that it packs in, but trust me, you will not find it inconvenient to carry it with yourself. I mean, you are paying the price of 2000 and you are going to be very satisfied with the build quality that it comes in. Coming to the fit, it comes with 4 different types of ear cups to suit everyone's needs. And with my case, I quite didn't like the ear tips it came with and I immediately replaced it with the smallest ones, and it fits quite snug and there is good sound isolation without the presence of active noise cancellation. Now talking of sound clarity, these earbuds come with graphene drivers and they offer a quite balanced sound. The highs, the mids, the lows are all equally balanced and you'll enjoy the music you listen to. The bass is not that heavy, but if you are not a bass loving person, then you'll enjoy the sound signature. For all those bass lovers out there, you can anyway customize with your desired equalizer settings. Well, coming to call quality, these earbuds come with 4 mics which also offer noise reduction. Now this is the case with all TWS that you have to speak a little louder so that the microphone catches your voice. And same is the case for Soundco. Due to excessive noise reduction, if you speak in a low volume, then the earbuds cancel out your audio. In my usage, even if I wear it while riding, the person on the other side was not able to hear any kind of wind noise. But the voice seemed to be coming from a far distance. But anyways, the voice was clear and I had no issues with call quality. It's just that you have to speak a little loud. Now controls on this device are not touch controls, but rather they are soft clickable buttons, which is quite good for my liking because they prevent accidental touches. You can also sleep with by wearing it and you can also use it inside a helmet without any worries. You can double tap on the right earbuds to go to the next song and double tap on the left ones to go to the previous song. Clicking once pauses or resumes the song and holding it for some time wakes up your assistant. At the time of a call, you can simply click it to answer or end a call and you can simply hold it to reject the call. Coming to the connectivity part, it is handled by Bluetooth 5.0 and Qualcomm aptX technology, which ensures higher sound quality and lowest latency. The connection is also seamless as it automatically connects as soon as you take your earbuds out of the case, provided your Bluetooth is turned on. There are also no latency issues while watching movies or playing games. One thing to note is that you can also use the earbuds in mono or stereo mode. While connecting the earbuds, you get to see two separate names and you can connect either of them to suit your need. The range is also quite good because of the Bluetooth 5.0 technology. Now, battery life of the Soundcore Life Note is quite phenomenal, as it claims up to 7 hours of battery life without the charging case and up to 40 hours of battery life with the charging case. In my usage, I can easily claim up to 5.5 to 6 hours of battery life with 70% volume and taking a few calls. The earbuds do come with some battery saving technology, as they get switched off if they are not connected to any Bluetooth device. Now, one thing which is commendable for Soundcore and a shame for the other brands, that it comes with a USB Type-C port and also a USB Type-C charging cable inside the box. The charging case takes around 2 hours to fully charge it. The Soundcore Life Note also comes with a fast charging technology, with which you get 1 hour of playback if you charge it for 10 minutes. And for all those fitness freaks out there, this comes with an IPX5 rating, and we did try to sprinkle some water on the earbuds and they seem to be working completely fine. And with all that done, this doesn't mean that they don't have any cons. One thing to note is that these earbuds come with a soft blinking light which keeps on blinking while you're using it. This often keeps on annoying others and it looks like you're using a cheap earbuds. According to me, they should only blink once before they are connected and not after that. So yeah, that was one only con I could find on these earbuds. Now, coming to prices, we could easily manage to get this for the price of 2000 with some additional cashbacks from Flipkart's Big Billion Day. And these earbuds do come with another black color. When it comes to warranty, you are all covered up because these earbuds come with 18 months of warranty from the date of purchase. At the last, I would say, if you want good quality sound, amazing battery life along with USB Type-C port and decent call quality, then you should definitely check out these earbuds. So yeah, that's been it. If you liked the video, then smash that like button and consider subscribing to the channel with the bell notification set to all. If you have any doubts regarding these earbuds, then do comment below. And if you want to get in touch with us, then do check out our social media handles. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.